Mr. Carlson.
Oh, shit, don't do this.
Hey, you was the classic on my intro at the Oil Road joint. Everybody loved that video. You took your fucking leg off trying to hit me with the bitch.
So, Mr. Carlson, I want to take you out today.
You ain't gonna take me out today? Alright, y'all, let's go ahead and do this unboxing, man.
Oh, this is nice. Get my radio out. I gotta get me a new one.
Nothing wrong with keeping that,
Don't want to see your special pass.
Let me take this. No, I want to take this off the table because he don't need to get no promo and land.
Yes, let's see what we got here, man.
Second 21.
Look at you.
Modified.
All talking about my shit.
No steel
All
burns.
talking about my stuff, Joe.
All bump
Look at that.
burns. Yeah, that pretty box.
Yeah,
I know that
pretty
box.
old box. You know that box?
Yes, sir.
Oh, hold on. We also got some candy in that
Oh,
junk.
yeah, they give you candy all the time.
BRC. Shout outs. Let's see what we got in here, man. As you see, Red's racing.
That's the pretty one.
This the pretty one? We're gonna find out.
That's the red and the green. That's the other one. That's the black.
The black.
Ooh, you snuck one, you know?
Yeah. Yeah. Hell yeah. Look at that back plate on that jump.
It's pretty. Mario Rossi.
And Rossi, baby. Damn. It's going in the trucky though.
Reshoot fortune.
Alright, so this is Scuderia 721. There's a head. See what we got in the bag. Y'all should already know. On the box, we got some quality control. Well, care manual, we ain't gonna use that. But we got the exploded view, instructions. Yep. Keep that though, that's for sure. And we got some stickers. So I've never ran a red mode. I keep hearing good things about these jumps. We'll see. Let's see what we got in the bag. Another Red's Racing. They got a part number on there. This part number. Open this up. What better place to do unboxing than at the track?
Dion talked bad about him.
For real?
We're gonna get him when he gave it.
There it is. One piece. Yep, 2143. Okay, got the springs.
43.
Back in the day, they used to give you a gas refrigerator. They don't give you that no more, huh?
Yep.
Ain't nothing on the back of that motor. Pull that thing.
Yeah, it is. Yep.
Yep.
There it is, yo. Beautiful combo. Can't wait to get it in the truck. Once I get my shock tire and everything, my shock body and everything for the truck, we can put it on there. But I figured we just do a little unboxing while we out here just shooting the breeze, chilling. So we'll see what's up.